you can see first you just type the Windows. You can see the Windows button. No, you just type the Python. Okay. Okay, Python. If you type means you can see you will get this type of thing in the black color screen. Don't go ahead with that. Okay, directly click the start button. That's what I'm saying. If your time start button is there, no, you just scroll down it. I'm using Windows 10. So if you are using Windows 10 or 7, it is related to that. So I'm installed that 3.8. Okay. So if you just click that means you can see IDLE Python, that is version 3.8. Have you got it? One more command mode is there and manual is there, modules another thing is there, but you have to open the first one, IDLE. Srisha, have you got it? How to open the Python? Have you got it now? I mean, you get an idea? Hello? Hello, are you
Yes,
people
sir.
are, yeah, that's what. If you are be quiet means
Yes,
I thought
sir.
of whether my mic is working, whether I'm audible to you, that have a lot of work. Okay, you can see this, just to click that one and wait for a second, it will automatically, it will get open. Okay, just try it. First time, those who are installing today, if you are installed means just install it today itself, that is mandatory. Okay, there are two type of modes I said yesterday. One, what are the modes? Script mode, another one is interactive mode. This is what the output prompt or the greater than symbol is there. No, this is called as interactive mode. Okay, script mode, if you want to type a entire program, better we will go with the script mode. Interactive mode for general simple purpose. Okay, for simple expression, if you want to do, I will teach the interactive mode. Just it's for simple work, we can do it. Okay, but we will go with the script mode. First we need to click the file and select the new file. Have you understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me see
Yes,
the
sir.
yesterday's what we opened. Let me open the same file. So from the desktop I saved, that's the file name is what? Class 11 I saved, no? This was the program we done yesterday. Can you recall it? Which I shown to you. This was the program we discussed yesterday, isn't it? Print statement. Just a print statement, it is print function. Actually, print function or print statement is used to just print what we are asking to print. Okay, here, welcome to Python programming, asking to print. That's what it is printing the thing. Okay, have you understand? So input, if you want to get means input function we need to get. You can see int of input. Just to avoid the int of input, I will tell for starting onwards. Okay, input of enter the first number, that it will display. Simply it will display enter the first number or whatever message if you are giving, that will be display. But the input function will receive the input. Here we are giving the data type. Int means integer. Integer means whole number, not decimal number or not fractional number. So what must be the input? The input must be what? It should be a whole number. It should be a without non-fractional value only it will accept. Have you understand that? Have you understood this one? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just once. Please students, if you have any doubt means please ask immediately. Don't hesitate to ask. Just stop my teaching, then you can start to ask it. Okay, that is very easy only. Please do it. Okay, for example, if you want to get the, we need a variable. We received an input that we need to store in one variable. No, so I already said the container that what is the thing, the kitchen container boxes and all, like we taken as an example, isn't it? So here a is a variable, that the variable will store the value. In that variable a we can store the value. Okay, likewise we are receiving the b, another one input, that we are storing into it. Okay, finally the both the values we are adding, c equal to a plus b. So what is a value, then that will be added to the b, then both the values will be added, that will be stored. There is assignment operator we use, no, equal to symbol. Have you seen that? You can see this a plus b we are adding, that values together we are assigning to the variable, new variable, that is c. So finally we are printing what? C we are printing, we are getting the value. Have you understand? Now have you understood this program?
Yes, sir.
Little bit only. Tell frankly what it is. What about Balaji? What about Ahmed? Boys, Ram Tilakandal, very rare to hear his voice. Rakshana, what about you? We all people understand this is a basic command, student. That's what I'm taking this much of time. So not an issue. Automatically you can come to know that. But anyhow, I'm saying that this is a very basic command, basic statement in Python. Okay, this is the Python prompt which you are seeing in the screen. Hello, could you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll do this multiplication calculation.
Sir.
Okay, yeah. Any doubt? Somebody say yes sir or sir. You are calling me or asking or saying I have doubt. Feel free to ask me. So it want to be interactive. Some of the students has joined in the 12th standard. They are very much interactive. That is, they are asking, sir, I didn't understand, sir. Like this, they are saying that. That only I need from you. You should be very interactive. Then when the class will be goes as very lively, you will also get some what is the thing? Get some stuff. That is okay. Today I learned this one. That much of satisfaction in your mind, you will get it. Okay. Simply, if you are listening like this, a video lecture means I can simply take the video and I can post. No, there is no need to be interactive. No, that is not replace the teaching. Okay, let me first. Okay, now we will print the multiplication. Okay, if you want to give two numbers means it want to tell the what is the multiplication of two values. Okay, let me write the program. Okay, I am going to delete all those things. I'm deleting it. Now you want to say that. Okay, first I want to print multiplication calculation. I want to print the value. I mean, print the statement. Which statement I should use? If you want to print something means print statement. Am I right? Hello, getting a word from you, it's a big thing, I think, sir. Listen, you people are doing that much.
Yes, sir.
What? You people are doing that much.
Yes, sir.
For that only you are saying yes, sir. Am I right?
No, sir.
You people are
No,
saying
sir.
okay. Did you see that?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, tell the things. Which statement is used to print a display? Display a message means.
Print statement.
Very good. So always we should type the print and all. It's a keyword. So we should type in a. I mean, it is we are using for command. No, that's what we are giving in a small letter. Capital letter we should not type. Okay. Print. Okay, I am typing in this side. Okay, you can see this print of. That is a function. Okay. Print function. What I need to display. What I need to display? Multiplication calculation. Suppose this is the statement means or content means. I should given the single quote or double quotation, isn't it? So I'm just giving the double quote. I'm just typing here. We can type in within the double quote. We can type in whatever method, whatever character. Okay, small letter, capital letter, not an issue. Okay. So I'm just typing multiplication calculation. Okay. Okay. I just typed it multiplication calculation. I just want to close the double quote. If I open the double quote means I should close the double quote. Enclose. Okay. If I open with single quote means I should enclose within the single quote. Okay. Then again I close the bracket also. That is one print statement. So we given the instruction to the computer to print multiplication calculation. It will do the calculation. Fine. Okay. Next we need to get the input from the user. How to get the input from the user? Let me want to tell it. Okay. Input function is used to get the input from the user. Am I right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So then you say
Yeah,
that
sir.
input function, what type of input we are getting? I want the integer number means I should use what? Int of input. Suppose I want to get the floating, sir. I want to multiply the 5.5 with 7.5. 5.5 into 7.5 I want to multiply, sir. Both the numbers are what data type? Floating data type. There is a decimal data type. There is a fractional value. You know, fractional value means we should use floating point. In floating point, how to represent means float. Okay, let me do with the full number, that is whole number. Okay, integer number means, so I'm just using, we need to store in one variable. No, I'm using a, whatever we can use, a, b, c, or your name or my name, whoever may be. Okay, so but should be the follow the rules of identifier rules. Naming the identifier we discussed now. It should start with the letters. It should not contain any special character that we discussed even in yesterday's class also. So same rules we have to follow. Okay, a equal to, we are assigning, what we are assigning? Integer type of data, that is int of input function. So to get the input of, we are getting the input. Okay, simply again I open the one more parenthesis. No, I should close it. simply I getting the input. But what is the thing? It won't display any enter the first number, enter the second number will not be displayed. Okay, that's all I will show for you. B equal to, again same thing. If you want to get the integer, suppose I want to get the float number, sir. Very simple. FLOEAT. That is, sorry, FLOEAT. Okay, so I'm sorry. Okay, float of then input. We should type like that. Okay, then we are getting, we should give the float number. Suppose I enter 10 means also 10 also, it will take us 10.0. Okay, integer means we should give only the whole number. Suppose I enter the 5.5 in the A value means it will show wrong. Okay, so now I am printing the, I am just want to do the calculation. No, C equal to A. What is the symbol for multiplication in Python? What is the symbol for multiplication in Python? Hello. Float meaning, Srisha, float meaning means decimal number. Decimal number, yeah, floating number meaning means, Srisha asked one question in chat. That is float number means that is decimal number. Okay, that is decimal. I mean, in this instead of I'm saying fractional value. Fractional value means 0.0 point numbers are there. Now for your understanding purpose, I'm using the word. Okay, so the type of numbers are called as float.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am, good. So if you're asking
Okay, sir.
everybody explicitly ask, because why I asked this means it is nothing to shame, because once you ask means everybody having the same doubt, everyone will get the clarity. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Okay, let you see multiplication symbol. What symbol? If you want to do the operation means. Rajesh, you are coming to say something. I didn't listen, please. Can you say that? What is the symbol we are using for multiplication? So,
Multiplication symbol, sir.
which symbol? I'm asking the symbol. X, sir.
Int, sir.
Int means that is X symbol. Letter
Yes, sir.
X. No. Yesterday what we discussed. Star symbol we used, isn't it? Okay. Ahmad is saying very properly. Star symbol. Star, then B. If you are multiplying with the B. Okay. Then if you want to display the C means print of C. So C value will be displayed. Now I am just saving this file. I already doing the same file. Class 11 is our file. I saved the same thing. So now I am running. For running, to run the code, to run the Python program, what is the key? What is the shortcut key? F5 is the shortcut key. F5, function 5 is there, no, in your keyboard. That will be there. Or else go to run option, then run module. That is F5 is the shortcut key. If I run this means you can see multiplication calculation. See, I didn't give that input value A equal to int of input. Okay, I didn't mention any message. That's what the cursor is blinking. For example, I'm just giving 10. Okay, enter I'm giving. It is asking the second input. What should be the input? Floating value. So I'm just giving 5.5. So you can get the answer. 55.0. 5.5 into 10, 55. No. Have you understand? So instead of, hello, have you understood this one or not? Okay, suppose instead of empty, we can give some value also. That is, for example, for our understanding, enter A value. Okay. Likewise, we can print it inside that. Then within the double quote or single quote. Okay. So second thing is enter B value. Likewise, second value, first value. Likewise, we can give it. Okay. So within the single quote or double quote. Print C also the product of, once you can see double quote or single quote, the product of or multiplication of this. Okay. Product of A and B is, sorry, and B is likewise we can give the double quotes if we closed, sorry, single quote we open, no, single quote, then comma C. So you can see, no, comma C if you print means you can see this. I'm saving the file, I'm running it. You can see this multiplication, enter A value. Have you understand this? This is the program in your left hand side. Right hand side you can see the run prompt, that is the running command prompt. Okay, you can see this, not command prompt, where the Python is running executable prompt. Enter A value. So I'm just giving a 78 is the number, and it should be integer because a is what? A equal to int of input, no? So integer value only I should give. Okay, b value. So here I am given integer value, it automatically it will take in a floating data type. 45 given means 45.0 it will automatically will take. Okay, now you can see the product of a and b is 3500 have you understand how to do the multiplying? That not multiplication is not concept, how to get the input from the user, how to display the result, that is the concept. The screen is visible or it is maximized, shall I maximize, is it okay, or tell any something? Have you all understand this concept, or shall we go with one more example? Because this is basic, once you are thorough in the basic only we can go with the next one, or else better we
One more example, sir.
Very good, Sri Pavitra. Good. I really appreciate you. Good. Let me go to the another one. Okay. For example, shall we do for division? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me. So shall we do for the division? So division, I'm just I'm typing it instead of multiplication. Both are I'm just getting in the integer value. Okay, for in order to avoid the 1 minute, I caps lock. Caps lock we should not type, small letter only we should type. Okay. Okay. A equal to int of input of enter first value. Okay, I'm just giving first value. Okay, first value is just given, and instead of b I'm just giving second value. Okay, so enter first value, we are getting input through the input function, we are
Sir,
getting
minimize the screen.
minimize. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can see this. Enter
Yes,
first
sir.
value.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, enter first value through the input function. We are receiving the input. The data should be what? Integer data type. That's what we are using the keyword int. Int means that is a whole number only we should receive. Suppose we are entering the floating, that is a decimal number, that is a fractional number. If I enter means it will show wrong. It will show error. That is called syntax error. Okay, it is not as per the syntax. Syntax means I already said rules. Okay, certain rules are there. Integer means integer only. Okay, now you can see int of input of enter second value. Second value also I am receiving from the user, that will be stored in b. Okay, then a into b, I have to divide that. Okay, a division by b. Okay, a divided by b, we will get one value. No, that value will be stored into the variable c. Okay, then the division of a and b likewise we can give, or else I am simply omitting this one. Okay, I'm just avoiding this, just printing the C alone. Have you understand? So now I am running this program. You can say that. You can see first it is asking enter first value. Side by side I am showing to you. Okay, enter first value, it is asking no, what type of value I should give? Integer type of value only I should give, because the code what I return, int of input of enter first value. Have you understand? So I am just giving 78. Simply I am just giving. Okay, shall I give another number? Tell some number. 100 shall I give, for example. Okay, I give enter. Then it is I have to press the enter key. Okay. Then b equal to int of input of enter second value. It is asking no. I am just giving some other. I am giving the 8. Okay. Then two values I give given that. So 100, where the 100 will be stored? Can you say where the value 100 will be get stored? Now. Hello. Read the code. In the variable a, isn't it? Int of input of enter first value, we given 100. No, the 100 will be get stored in the variable a. Now a value is what? 100. Okay. B equal to, see the code in the left hand side. Okay. B equal to int of input enter second value. We are getting the second value that will be stored in the variable b. Okay. Now b is storing 8. Have you understand? So say yes or no at least.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
how do I can understand whether you got the point or not? Okay, now you can see C equal to A divided by B. So if you divide the things means how many 8s are there? I think 10 is 80, 11 is 88. 12 8s are 96, isn't it? 12 point something it will come, isn't it? So it will do the calculation. We no need to do it. You can see A divided by B, it will divide it. We will get one value, 12 point something. So that value will be get stored in C. So print to C. The next line is what we return. You can see this. Print to C. So we are that the C value will be printed. Let me see how the value. I'm just giving the enter. You can see 12.5. It is showing. Have you understand this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now at least you understand how to do the basic calculation. Basic calculation in Python. Can you able to know what is input statement, what are the output statement? That is print statement is output statement. Input statement is input only. Input function is used to receive the input from the user. User means we are giving the number at runtime. Runtime means not exactly, it's not fixed value. Fixed value means later I will tell that. Okay. What is the constant literals we have seen? No, you can see A equal to 100. This is fixed value. Okay. B equal to 7. This is fixed value. Okay. Then C equal to A divided by B. Now I am typing. No, this is A is fixed value. Literals we have seen. No, numerical literals. Integer literal we have seen. No, this is the integer literal. A is integer. Okay. B is another one integer. Okay. These values will not change. So if I run this program, it won't ask anything from the user. So I'm simply running it. It will print the output alone. You can see this. What is the division calculation? 14.28 something display. No. Could you understand this? Whether it is asking any value from me. Did it ask? No.
No, sir.
Because what is the meaning? We are given we already given the value A value and B value. We are asking to calculate the C value. C equal to A divided by B. Print C. So it will be, it automatically the value is there. It will do the calculation. It will tell there. I mean give the result also. Okay. This is called literals. That is constant value. A now 100 is constant. We cannot change during the time of execution. Once we need to go to the code, then click that. Again we need to change the value if you want to change the means. Have you understand what is literal means? Literal means fixed value. Constant means. Have you understand? This program always, for
Yes,
example,
sir.
100 times I run the program, it will print the same answer only. Am I right? We cannot change the value, but in runtime we can change it. Could you understand that? 1 minute. Somebody.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes. Yes, Harini.
Sir, why
do
we
in separate.
can do in sub?
Why not? Definitely. For example, I'm just doing that. A minus B. I'm doing it. Okay. Suppose this is the number means I'm just running the program. You can see. But actually, I didn't change the heading. Division calculation 93 we are getting. Have you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Because 100 A value is 100, B value is 7. So once we reduce, we do the multiplication. Sorry, subtraction means we will get the 93. All the operations we can do.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. At least I'm very happy you asked
Thanks,
it
sir.
out. Okay, ma. Good. That is, we should keep it up as the doubt. Rest of students also did you understand? No. So if you are understand means say yes, or else I will give a task to you. I mean, if you understand means I will give a task. What task means the program only. I will ask you to write the program now. Now means you have to tell. I will type it. Did you all understand?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good. That is the spirit. Good.
Yes, sir.
So let I just remove all those things. Now, how many of you know the area of square formula? What is the area of square formula? Area of square is what? 6. What is the formula for to calculate the area of square?
A square.
A square. That is A into A, isn't it? A square is the answer. No. So let me do that. For example, we want to print the square area of square. How to print it? Can you say? How to print the message area of square?
Print
Which
A.
very print A va. Print function print inside the code double enclose it in the bracket, that is print function, that is
double quotation
within the double quotes or single quote we should type what? Area of square. Okay.
enough.
Okay, so I just close the quote and close the parenthesis also. That's all. Okay, now we need to get the a value from the user. How to get the a value? Which statement is used to get the a value?
Int.
Input function. Input function used to receive the input from the user. Okay, what type of data I should give? I should get whether it is integer data type or floating data type. Let the people, that is user, want to decide. Okay, suppose we want to get the integer data type, means what I have to type here? Can you say that? What is the details I should type?
A is equal to int.
Yes. Oh.
A equal to int.
A equal to
Int.
int of
Int.
Where
int
into
of
A?
input also. Input we need to get, no? Input sorry, input of then tell that. What you say, giving int 91 first value. I think you are given the bracket, I think so. Okay, fine. Okay.
Close the.
Okay, then what I have to give? Int input of enter area, isn't it? I just giving enter area of the square, isn't it? Sorry, enter the side of the square. Side of the square. Side into side, no. Have you understand that? That is the area of square, side into side. Side of the square. Hello, I'm just typing the same thing only. What you know that people are not at all answering. Okay, so we are getting the value. So we should close the two, because I opened the two braces. I should close the two. So as you are seeing, we just get the enter side of the square. That is side into side. That is a value side, no. So that we are receiving the variable a. So we are getting the input. What should be the input? Any integer value should be the input. That value we are storing the variable a. Okay. So what is the formula to calculate the area of square? What is the formula? A into
Side square.
side into side, that is side square. Okay, so let me directly, we can print the answer also. Just I'm just typing the another one method. A, that is area of square is. Okay, let I just want to print the same thing, means I'm just copying from this code. You can also do the copy whenever you're typing in computer, means. Okay, area of square is. Okay, I'm just giving that. Okay, comma, then a into a. So a multiplication, that is a into a. A power a square, no. So power symbol means that is exponential thing. Exponential means double star. We discussed in the arithmetic operator. Have you remember that? That's what I'm saying. This content and all very important. So refer the content. Okay, a into a. That is a into a. We can use a square means a into a. You can use, or else a exponential a. That is a power a. That is a 2 power 2. Suppose the value is or else that is better, sorry, a square, no, a into power square. Square means 2 I just given. Okay, have you understand this one? I'm asking to print this one. I'm saving this. Every time we should save the file. So I'm just running it. Now you can see it will ask the area of square, enter the side of the square. Shall I give what number? Shall I give 5? Suppose I'm just enter the 5. You can see the area of square is 25. Have you understand? So, but with the program, we can easily calculate. Not only that, this is a simple program, we can do whatever solutions also. Nowadays, you can see the Python is used in, they are using in Spotify and Google. So whatever content, okay, whatever companies they are using the Python. So further, you can easily understand that. Okay, the real-time problems, for the real-time solutions we can give. Okay, 12th standard students now they are doing the project. Okay, for real-time online ticket booking system, bus booking, railway reservation, online e-shopping. That is, we are doing Amazon, Flipkart, no? Likewise, e-shopping websites, not website. That is for programs. They are writing it. There is a code. Their code we can write it. You have to. You are also have to do the same project in the end of 11th standard as well as 12th standard. You have to do a big project. In 11th, it will be very simple project you have to do. This is the concept. And 12th, we have to use the database also. Have you understand this program? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody having any doubt regarding to how to write the program in Python? Now two statements you should familiar. One is print, how to print statement, or how to get the input from the user. Two things only we learned in the Python. How to get the input, how to do the calculation, and for that you should know the operators. That's what I said. Okay. So once you know the operator, we can do the all the type of operations. Then how to print the result. You can see this. The last line especially, area of square is colon. That is for this is for decoration purpose. Okay. Once again I close the double quotes, comma a power 2. That is a square exponential symbol. Or else a into a. A cube means a into a into a. Okay. Or a power 4 means a power 14 means whether we need to type a into likewise. Instead of that, a exponential symbol, that is double star 14 we can easily give. Have you understand this? Students, we will
Yes,
understand.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will give another task. What is the area of circle? Area of circle formula is what?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. Okay. What is the pi value? What is it?
22 by 7.
22 by
If
7.
you get the value means 3.14. Am I right? Yeah. So 3.14 is the pi value. So let me do the area of circle formula. Okay. Now you have to tell that area of circle. I'm just typing. Now you want to tell. I mean, you have to tell what I need to print it. Now I want to get the what are the values I need to get? Pi value, that is constant value. So let I type the pi. Pi equal to what is the value? 22 by 7 means 3.14 we got, no? Isn't it? Or else I can give 22 by 7 also, not an issue. But we'll get more frequent number. Okay, anyhow. Or else 3.5. Okay. Pi r square. R means what? Radius. Isn't it? So we need to get the radius also, no? So let me do the, we want to get the input. Okay. Srisha again asking, you are using double star. Double star means exponential form, exponential symbol. Okay. Exponential means power e square, e power 3, e power 4. E means the base number and power double star means that is exponential. Okay, Srisha, have you understand? Okay. Let me go to the next one. Now you can see pi value is fixed one. Yeah, yes, Srisha.
If I
Yes.
use single star means
Single star means multiplication. Double star means exponential. That we already done.
okay, sir.
No, okay. I forgot. Okay, let you see this. So now we want to get the radius value. How to get the input radius value from the user? We need one variable, no?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell some variable?
6 centimeter.
That is centimeter. That is second thing. We need one variable, no? Let I use r. R equal to. If you want to get the input means what is the statement? That's what I'm asking. If I want to get the integer value means I should use int. Suppose I want to get the floating value means better I can go get the float. Okay, so we already know the integer. Let me try with the float. Okay, float of input function is used to receive the input. No, Balaji very nicely used. I really appreciate Balaji. It is I think it's a second class for him. He said the answer in the chat. Int of input, sir, like this he is giving. Very nice. Okay, let you say that in float of input. Okay, input of, then if you want to type some message means we can type it. What message we can type? Enter the radius. Am I right? You people are not at all opening your mouth. Enter the radius. Okay, so I just entered that value. Okay, so I have to close the two parentheses. Okay, open two things. That's what. Okay, now we want to calculate the formula. What is the formula? Pi r square, isn't it? So let I want to result res. I am just giving the value res equal to result equal to pi. So pi value is what? Pi we already declared. Pi into r. So pi r square, no. So r into r we can use, or else what? R power 2. Am I right? Because r square, no. So r power 2. Pi r square. So I have to use. Then If I want to print the result means what is the statement? Can you say? What statement I have to
Result.
print man? Very simple. Print
Print
up,
message.
then result res. If you print means result will print, or else the area of circle is. Likewise, if you want to display the message means inside the double quote or single quote we have to give the area of the circle. Circle is like that we can give.
Print.
We should close the double quotes, sorry, and comma. What is the value we want to print? Res, no? So res value I just printed. Have you understand?
Close the parenthesis.
I closed it. Yeah. Have you understand? So if I run this means this is I
Yes,
have
sir.
to save this file. I saved in the same name class 11. Okay. So I'm just running this file. You can see it is asking area of circle. Enter the radius. So I'm just giving 7.5. That is the radius. Okay. Then the area of circle. That is of course A is missed. You can see this. Area of circle is 176.78. Like this showing this. If you want to type A means then it will be fine. Have you understand this program?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We have done this much
Yes,
of
sir.
program. I hope you should understand addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, area of square, area of circle. This much program we done in the Python. So in order to explain you to get the input statement and to print the message. Okay, refer it, take the book, and sixth chapter it is given, and the continuous will be given also in the seventh chapter. We are dealing together, sixth and seventh chapter together. Okay, so I think this till that sixth chapter is over. So far we completed 3 chapters. Okay, tomorrow onwards we will complete. We will take the next chapter. Totally you have 17 chapters in 11th standard. From the 17th chapter we completed 3 chapters. So 14 chapters are more. Okay, that will be very interesting. Once
Sir,
we
notes, sir.
notes, the programming only. I will post the notes. That is the slide I used no to show to display to you. Hello, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So the slide which I am showing to there is simple input on output statement. So this is the thing. This salary, this notes I will post in our website. Okay, you can refer for test purpose and all. Okay, how to read the input, print statement. This is the thing we really, literally we have seen how to type this thing and all. So you understand? So in this slide, you are seeing that how to open a program, how to give the input, the script mode. Script file means this is the thing. Save F5. Okay. This is the question you have to answer for today. WEAP means write a program. Listen carefully. WEAP means write a program. Today is what I think. Today is Wednesday, na? Tuesday.
Tuesday, sir.
Okay. Then I will give the homework tomorrow. Anyhow, you just try it. First, install the Python in your computer, or else, sir, I don't have computer, sir. I have mobile phone. Not an issue. Pyride one software is there in your. If you're just opening the Play Store from your, there is Google Play Store. You just type the Pyride. Okay, you can easily install that software also. Okay, in that you can type it. You can execute it. Okay. That is, Balaji, you are not in the WhatsApp group. Join me in the WhatsApp group, sir. NCRT WhatsApp group. Okay, because you know the number, better you send your number to principal in order to join it. Okay, I think I may not able to join you. Could you please contact principal or call principal and say your number, which number you want to join, and ma'am will join you. Okay, that's all. These are all the perimeter of rectangle and radius of enter the radius and calculate the area of circle. That we done. Okay, write a program. WAP means write a program to enter name, marks, and 5 subjects. Tomorrow we will deal this one. Okay, the third program we will deal. I will just teach all the programs which is given as a homework. I will give a different homework to you. Okay, so you will get a basic idea regarding that. Okay, have you all understand these questions? I mean, now you have you understand no how to write the program? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah, good. So please, if you have doubt, means ask me. Do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt regarding the
No.
writing programs?
No, sir.
No, sir.
People are clarified,
No,
and
sir.
just refer it again once again. review the video. I mean, just to recap the video, you can get the clear details about that. How to write the two statements only we have seen. For that, we used a number of examples. Okay. So once we get the basic, that is the foundation is clear, means just like the next program and all, we will very easily in a lightning speed you can do it. Okay. Not for syllabus completion, you can write the program. Okay. Those who are not having the PC, that is a computer, better you buy a computer, that will be fine for you. Not only for the sake of school sake, I'm not saying. For 11th standard, 12th standard, I'm not saying. That will be useful in your college also. Okay, the 2 years will be goes as just like that. Because see, now September month has started. Okay, just after 6 months, you will complete the 11th standard. Immediately, you will enter into the 12th standard. 12th standard, portion completion, everything will be goes as fast. 12th standard also will be quite, it will be. Then you have to join in college. Okay. Anyhow, you need on laptop, better go for the laptop with good configuration. Okay. It is possible by now means you can buy, or else later thing also you can buy the laptop. That will be fine for you. So we all understand this one? I mean, not for this, today portion I'm saying. Yes, Rajesh. Yes. I didn't get your voice. I didn't get your voice, Rajesh. Can you repeat it? You are coming to tell something, but I didn't get it.
Nothing, sir.
Okay. Okay, students. Today we learned many programs. That is how to do all the arithmetic calculations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the area of circle, area of square. How to calculate in the Python program. So these things we have discussed today. I hope that is just to practice it. Install the software. Today task is just install the software and try it. Okay. Tomorrow we will see some of few more example programs which I shown to you in this PDF file. So after that, you can do the homework. At last, once the chapter is completed, means I will share the slide immediately in our website. I will upload it. Okay. Fine, students. Very nice time to you. Thank you to all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.